been prepared by keeping these objectives in the mind to examine the Swami Vivekananda's concept of yoga in the light of Indian philosophical traditions, to analyze the philosophical foundation of Raja Yoga, Karma Yoga, Bhakti Yoga and also the Jnana Yoga, to study the ethical and educational significance of Swami Vivekananda's yogic philosophy, to evaluate the contemporary relevance of Swami Vivekananda's interpretation on yoga, and also to explore the role of yoga in promoting individual development and social harmony. That's why he rightly said that yoga is the practical method for the manifestation of divinity which is already existed in man. That is the important mode of any education what we given for the student, that has been make the individuals to manifest their divinity. That's what a beautiful quote given by Swami Vivekananda. The next one. The hypothesis, this hypothesis were kept. Swami Vivekananda's, the first hypothesis, Swami Vivekananda's interpretation of yoga provides a comprehensive philosophy of self-realization and personality development. The next one, the four yogas advocated by Swami Vivekananda collectively contribute to ethical, intellectual, emotional, spiritual development. The third hypothesis, Swami Vivekananda's philosophy of yoga remains relevant in addressing contemporary education, psychological and social challenges. The next one. See, for to test for this hypothesis, this methodology has been taken up. The present study employs a qualitative and philosophical research methodology. It is based on the analytical, descriptive and interpretative methods. Data have been collected from both primary as well as secondary sources. Primary sources include the complete works of Swami Vivekananda on yoga, that is mentioned as Raja Yoga, Karma Yoga, Bhakti Yoga and also Jnana Yoga. Secondary sources consists of books, peer-reviewed research articles, journals, dissertations and also the conference proceedings. The next one. So this is the research design. The study follows a qualitative, descriptive and analytical research design. It is based on the documentary research involving the systematic examination of classical text and modern scholarly literature. The design includes the identification of the primary as well as the secondary sources, critical review of relevant literature, thematic classification of Swami Vivekananda's ideas on yoga, in what way he put it across in 4 parts of yoga that has been taken into consideration, the comparative analysis with classical yogic philosophy, interpretation of findings in relation to contemporary education and social issues. This, one minute. This design enables an in-depth understanding of Swami Vivekananda's holistic interpretation of yoga. Okay, next one. The findings and the interpretations of the result. By studying the literature pertaining to this one, the wisdom of yoga in the view of Swami Vivekananda, these are all the findings what we get. Transformation of yoga into a universal philosophy. The study reveals that Swami Vivekananda transformed yoga from a primarily aesthetic discipline into a universal philosophy, accessible to people of all cultures, profession and religious backgrounds. His interpretation emphasizes the manifestation of inherent divinity within every individual through disciplined practice, self-realization and service to humanity. The next one, integration of the 4 paths of the yoga. The analysis indicates that the 4 paths of yoga, Raja Yoga, Karma Yoga, Bhakti Yoga and Jnana Yoga, are complementary rather than mutually exclusive. Together they promote the balanced development of physical, intellectual, emotional, ethical and spiritual dimensions of human personality. Ethics and character formation. The study finds that Swami Vivekananda regarded ethics and character formation as the foundation of yogic practice. Virtues such as truthfulness, self-control, compassion, discipline and selfless service are essential for spiritual growth and personal transformation. The next one. And also the another significant finding is that Swami Vivekananda integrated yoga with holistic education by emphasizing concentration, self-confidence, moral values, leadership and character building. All the management gurus have using this kind of the word. They are all taken from the ideas of Swami Vivekananda. His education philosophy remains highly relevant for promoting value-based education and overall development of the learners. The interpretation of the findings suggests that Swami Vivekananda's philosophy of yoga provides practical solutions to contemporary challenges such as stress, anxiety, materialism, social conflict, moral decline, and the search for meaning in modern life. His emphasis on universal brotherhood, religious harmony, and service to humanity continues to inspire global peace and intercultural understanding. The study concludes that Swami Vivekananda's interpretation of yoga represent one of the most influential modern exposition of Indian philosophical thought. He viewed yoga not merely as a system of physical discipline but as a comprehensive philosophy for the holistic development of the individual. His teachings promote intellectual clarity, emotional balance, moral integrity, spiritual awakening, and dedicated service to the humanity. Furthermore, his education philosophy highlights the role of yoga in cultivating character, leadership, responsible citizenship, social responsibility, and other things. In today's world, characterized by rapid technological advancement, psychological stress, and ethical challenge, his holistic understanding of yoga remains highly relevant. That's why, being a world citizens, we need yoga to elevate our personality from the humanity to the divinity.